Hi, I'm Neil Melville, ESA's Parabolic Flight Coordinator, and I'd like to share an exciting new way that you can apply to join our flights with technology research experiments. ESA's been conducting parabolic flights for over 30 years now, almost exclusively for scientific research. This has been hugely successful, resulting in hundreds of papers on human physiology, fundamental physics, and many other aspects of space science. However, as space becomes more accessible, and as our plans for living and working in space become ever more achievable, we see more and more demand for experiments utilizing this platform for technology research, paving the way for that future. For projects of academic institutions in ESA member states that pass our peer review process, we can offer free access to parabolic flights, both in microgravity and partial gravity, such as lunar or Martian G. The space business is changing. We need to change with it. So if your research could use parabolic flights to test a new technology, perhaps as a mission precursor or a proof of concept, then please go to ideas.esa.int to submit your application. We look forward to welcoming you on board.